Hey guys, welcome to our channel once again. We have brought you another interesting topic of wonder today. Are yawns contagious? So, have you ever wondered, are yawns contagious? Why do people yawn when they see others to do so? Do animals catch each other's yawns? So, do you want to sleep? Perhaps you fantasize of taking a long, relaxing nap to restore your batteries. If you think about sleep for too long, you may find yourself letting out a long, drawn out sigh. So, if you have been wondering with us for a while, you may have read about why people yawn. The answer is no one knows. While scientists have many theories, there is no single explanation for why people yawn. Still, academics agree on one point: yawns appear to be contagious. Have you ever noticed someone else yawning? The majority of individuals have. In fact, witnessing someone else yawn increases a person's likelihood of yawning by 6 times. So, what causes yawning to be contagious? That's the main question. Another riddle that specialists are still trying to unravel is that what causes yawning to be contagious? So, many investigations have been conducted to determine why yawns appear to spread from person to person. As a result, specialists have few hypotheses as to why this is happening. One possible reason is something known as social mirroring. Mirror neurons in the brain cause this to happen. These cells assist the brain in recognizing and mimicking helpful behaviors in others. When one person observes another yawn, their mirror neurons notice and interpret the activity as positive. This may lead to yawn as well. Another widely held belief is that yawns are infectious due to social relationships. In fact, many specialists feel they are an indication of empathy. Humans are unquestionably social creatures. They make friendships, families, and live in communities. That is why many individuals mimic others, such as smiling when someone else does. Yawning might be another example of this. In fact, studies have found that people are more prone to catch yawns from another person if they share a social link. It's also possible that yawns aren't infectious at all. Instead, when people are together, they may yawn simply because they are in the same surroundings. Many factors, including temperature and time of the day, might cause yawning, according to experts. Anyone in the same approximate region might be affected by potential triggers. As a result, people yawning after each other might be coincidence. So, whatever the cause, researchers agree that contagious yawns are not confined to humans. One research tracked 2 loin prides in South Africa. It was discovered that these animals caught each other's yawns. A loin was 139 times more likely to yawn after witnessing another pride member yawn. So that's interesting. Similar behavior have been seen in other animals by scientists. Primates, wolves, and even domestic dogs appear to yawn contagiously. In certain circumstances, this may even cross species boundaries. Pet dogs, for example, are most likely to yawn after witnessing their owner yawn. Consider the last time you yawned. Was it after witnessing someone else do the same? Or did you start the yawning and then pass it on? In any case, yawning is frequently a group activity, and do let us know in the comment section. So that was our today's wonder. If you like this video, please share it with your friends and family, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to show your support. Take care of yourself and your loved ones. Bye for now.